Attention, please. This is 1276, 1277. Really verify that.
21 Charles, 24. Can you reconfirm the apartment number?
Off the door. 1277.
This maybe up above one. I don't know where something's
Yeah. Hey, stop! Stop right now! Shot fired! Shot fired!
Shot fired! Shot fired!
Drop the knife! Drop the...
In February 2024, an officer was parked in his squad car in De Pere, Wisconsin, completing routine paperwork when a disturbance outside a bar caught his attention. He observed two women engaged in a physical altercation, while a man attempted to intervene and break up the fight. As the officer pulled up with his emergency lights activated, one of the women quickly attempted to walk away, despite being ordered to stop. What first appeared to be a routine bar brawl soon turned out to be a heated conflict between a 53-year-old mother and her 21-year-old daughter.
You're gonna get tased. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back.
My God!
457, I'm behind you, Babas. One resisting.
I'm not resisting. Oh my God, you just got on the hair. You just go through it. Take my jaw.
Give me your hand.
You fuck my jaw. Are you kidding me right now? Really?
Yep.
Really?
I'm under arrest too.
Really? Because me and my daughter have an argument? Really?
457, I can rescue as well.
Can I stand up? What do I can?
This way.
No, that way. Cannot. You gotta be very, you gotta be very,
Stand up on your knees.
Yeah, you gotta be very,
And we're gonna stand up that way.
Hold on.
Yep.
Hold on.
In the alleyway behind Baba's. There's two subjects standing outside of Baba's.
Actually, if you could.
Or just to the west.
After she was handcuffed, the daughter and husband caught up and began interfering with the arrest.
Don't walk up here. Otherwise, you're gonna go in cuffs too.
Okay, you need to listen because you're literally. That's my mom. Okay.
You can back up, otherwise you're gonna go to jail for
You
obstruction.
just broke my lip because you just punched me. You gotta listen to this on my right.
Why she's going to jail for obstruction?
What do you mean? She's fine.
Can you take those two over there?
Alright, you two with me.
Okay. Why are you grabbing her like that? You need to listen to my right
My niece
wrist.
feels
I need you two to come with me now.
Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
Ma'am, I need you to come with me now.
One notch. One notch. You're literally gonna break my wrist.
It's...
You know you
need
need
to
to
twist your wrist a little
literally.
more because I get the whole finger.
As the assisting officer attempted to separate them, the mother suddenly kicked him in the leg.
Why are you holding her?
Alright, ma'am, I need you to just back up.
You can go to jail.
Back up now. Now.
Like that.
Back up now.
Back up like that.
She just kicked me. Back up. Otherwise, you're getting handcuffed right now.
You're gonna break my wrist. You're gonna break my wrist. Like that. You're breaking my wrist.
Guys, stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Put your hands
hurting
right
her.
now.
I watched the whole...
Back up. Call Mondo. Back up right now.
Call my attorney right now.
Back up.
Go ahead. That's fine. Let's do it. Just, I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting you. Okay.
I am with back up now.
You got it. I'm here.
You're breaking my wrist.
I'm not breaking it. This is bullshit. He f***ing assaulted her. I saw it. What the f***? Okay, well, right now.
I like you guys.
Back up.
Mom, stop.
Stop. No.
Stop.
Both of them are going too.
Back up. No.
I saw the assault. I saw the assault. You hit her. I don't want to listen. They can both go for obstruction. Hey, call Mondo right now. Thank you. Hey, are you here? Hello. Hey.
Oh, stop. Stop. Calm down. I understand. Please don't put your hands on my phone. Mom.
There's no handcuffs pretty quick. Shut up.
Hey, don't tell me to
Don't do
stop.
that. Do not.
Mom.
Hey, kicked him multiple times.
She was breaking my wrist. Like, what?
I saw the assault, gentlemen. He's not f***ing on tape here.
Why are you making
We're all being recorded.
that?
Stop. Hey, you guys please go back.
She's so acrobat.
I want you guys over here. So I can go over here so you can assault her more? No.
Because of the mother's combative behavior, officers decided to place her in a wrap restraint device.
We're not finding me wrap.
No, you want to here.
Grab the wrap out of my car. They don't listen. She keeps getting in the way. Everything I told them that they do. Everything. Maybe you can assault her more.
Let her go. Why is he? Why make him more?
Do not. You're pushing me. Right. You're making it more difficult situation. We're trying to go in combat. Really? After he pushed her down on the ground?
As the daughter and father continued to escalate the situation, officers detained them both.
No, turn around. Living the tape. Stand. Stop, ma'am. Ma'am, are you f***ing kidding me? Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Brian, take a minute. Stop resisting. Listen. We're not playing this game anymore.
Oh my God! Are you kidding me?
You're gonna get dropped. Go to my car. Stop.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
All of you.
Yeah. Let's play resistance. After you assaulted my wife. This is good. Great.
Dude, you're assaulting my mother. That's absolutely absurd. That's wait, I'm super claustrophobic. No, I'm super claustrophobic. No, you guys.
Yeah, here we go. Oh, this is continuing now. I'm not looking. That's great.
No,
Yep, I got you, babe. I got you. Hold on.
no, Dad! No, you know no! Dude, you made it this way. I'm just telling you that right now. You just made it this way. Mom, you're fine.
Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Sir, I'm just trying to move the right. I understand. I'm trying to double lock these for your safety and mine. Really? Yes. Do you have any weapons on you? Do you have any weapons on you? No, just my muscles, man. Okay.
No!
This is based on your actions.
I will do whatever you want. Honest to God. Please, God. Please.
These are your actions. This is not stop.
Can I ask you one question?
Move your feet apart, please. I got you. Do you have anything on you that you can hold? Please stop moving for a second.
Dude, I'm a college student. Can you stop touching me?
You're under arrest. What would you do if your wife was around the corner? I don't know what's all going on. Okay. So how about we're going to move to the left?
No, dude, stop touching my.
I'm not touching. You're
You just
recorded.
touched my.
No, I checked your pocket.
Don't touch me.
Grab that. What would you do if your wife was over there? Well, it sounds like she's resistant to you.
Mom, stop! Please, mommy!
I got pushed down on your body. I saw it. For f***'s sake. Oh, it's all on court in this one. It's all on body camera. Okay. I got it, dude. It's gonna be great. I can't wait to be playing.
No, oh my God! Oh my God! Please, me right now. Please, can you let me walk towards my mom? They're detaining her.
No, she's under. Yeah.
What's up with that? I'm 100 pounds. I'm 100 pounds. No!
Police was my fault. This prevents you from assaulting the other officers.
Stop! Are you f***ing kidding me? Please don't!
You get it. I'm like,
No! Wait, can you pull her out of my mouth?
Yeah.
Wait,
just stop you. Okay?
No, please stop! Please stop! Let go! Wait, more. I have my face. Please, literally 2 seconds.
We're gonna roll you over.
No, sir, can you give me more?
They're gonna sit you up so you don't.
No,
I know, I got you.
No, you don't.
Stop resisting. Damn, stop. All right, I'm gonna put you in the back of the squad for now. I'll talk to you in just a bit, okay? But right now we got stuff going on, so we got a lot of stuff going on. Yeah. Sit up. There you go.
Stop! No, grab my right leg. Can you grab my right leg? Wait, no, can you let me? Like, right here. No, more. Yeah, more. Grab, yeah. Stop!
You're gonna get tased.
I don't go.
I got your phone in the front, so don't let me forget it, okay? All right, take a seat in there. So there is a spot for your hands right there. So, all right, I'm gonna just shut this, okay?
Wait, one more.
You a rap? No, you have another rap? We only have the one so far. I don't see you.
No, just like, do it here, film it. Yeah. Okay. Look at me.
She's 1080.
Dude, really, oh God. You're strong enough. Be strong. Woman's back. You're strong enough.
Just relax.
I understand.
All right, you guys need help? Anybody else? Go grab this car, bring it around. Where's my car? We're here to help you.
I'm trying to stop them. You're doing that to her.
Thank you for not doing that in my face.
No. I give all respect. Trust me.
I appreciate it.
No. I have literally, her and I were literally, dude, I'm not even,
Not more.
We
have to leave you down, okay? Just relax. The reason why we do this is just for your protection and ours.
Okay, but if people might, okay.
What's your name? It's fine. She's sitting up.
Don't talk to me like you know what's going on.
Okay. We're a person.
Oh God, it's pushing.
We got his car coming around. Are you not from around here?
No, I don't live here.
Did you get all your information and stuff?
Nobody asked me anything.
Okay.
No, I'm not. Here, look at me. For f***ing honest, to God's sake.
We're gonna let you stand up, okay?
Thank you. It's my senior night. But I require. Yeah, no, I can't. So hold on. You just keep talking to me. Keep talking to me. Like focus on me. Keep talking to me.
Are you you live in like? Do you live
in Illinois.
Okay, what's the number for you?
It's like a breathe in, breathe out, right? You know it. You got it. Okay. So focus. Just, okay, you and I. Yep. That's all it's about. Right. You just keep talking on me. No, she's fine. She's with me. It's all. This is a little bit.
How did this all start, ma'am?
Just
push back and forth.
No, it's my daughter and I. It's more. My daughter and I are just having it.
You guys go to school here?
Yeah, it's our senior night, so it's a joking league. Okay, so like she bought shot, we didn't buy shot. We're like, like it was like.
Can I have this in the back of my car?
That's fine.
What's your question?
Does my mom look like?
I don't know what they got going on right now. I'm here to help you
Go
out.
ask them. I want to know before I get in your car. Please go ask them.
So we'll ask him in just
No,
a
I
second.
won't get in your car before you.
Then we're gonna be standing out here. Okay.
Like
It's supposed to be a good night out, right?
No, yeah, no offense. Like we were just like not mad at each other, just going, oh, you should have bought. I bought. Like it's no.
So I can explain to you a couple things quick, okay? I'm not so off.
I understand, and I saw you, and I.
Just take a couple breaths from me, okay?
Okay. Why is my mom look like that?
I'm about to
Can you put my hair out of my mouth, please, in a not inappropriate way? Thank you.
No, so I'm going to say that to you. So the reason why she's like that is because she was kicking a lot, right?
I understand.
Right, so that's what happens when people aren't cooperating with us. We put them in a device called RAP, especially when she's kicking multiple officers, multiple times.
Okay,
so we put her in that device.
Okay, perfect.
We go to my squad.
Why am I in cop? What did I do?
You just beat the chain at the center. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. All right, let's go take a seat in my car.
I'm under arrest. We've been here for 4 years. I've been part of I mean, dude, I can do it. I'm not like hammered.
Just because we can't, I guess we can't have you walk. We're gonna have to lift you up and carry you over.
Okay, my right arm, you cannot
Like
touch
in
my
the
right
bicep?
arm.
In the...
Yeah, literally in the middle of my bicep.
Okay.
So you cannot grab my...
Usually we grab the handles here.
Yeah, you cannot.
Just so you're aware, and then we try to
touch
grab...
yourself.
Yeah, we'll try not to, but we don't want to have...
No, there is no try not to.
Right.
My mom's ready to fight, and I can do it.
Watch your head, okay? Just take a seat. Thank you.
Wait, hold on, cannot put me in. Like, I cannot.
Well, that's why I got an ambulance here. We're going to make sure you're okay.
No, I can't do air. Like, I need air.
What is that?
Like, I need air. Like, I cannot. You cannot.
Maybe I'll turn the air tanks on in there for you.
One notch on this. It's literally ripping my wrist.
They're not loosening up anymore.
No, it's ripping my wrist. Dude, I have bracelets, and the bracelets are ripping my wrist. So it's on you. I mean, you want to rip my wrist? That's on you.
No, we don't want to do that.
Give me one.
I'm not...
Nothing.
I put a whole...
Literally.
After you first complained about it.
My daughter and I walked out. We pushed each other. We just, I mean, really? This is the most ridiculous thing. No, we're having...
Okay.
Really? You don't have an argument with your child?
I just got here, so I don't know what's going on. Are you hurt anywhere?
No, she's not hurt. We're just literally...
Grab that when she pulled away.
Well, yes, because you're f***ing grabbing me.
Can I take a look at you? You're not hurt all right now?
Are you kidding me?
Okay.
But this is f***ing all my hips up.
Okay.
So you need to loosen my shit up. You don't
I was just calling
understand.
to see if... I'll take it.
Here, look at me. For 2 minutes.
Can you just hold on 1 second? So the only reason you're in that is because you decided to kick and assault our officers. So now you're going to stay in that until you go to jail.
That's fine. But can you please just loosen me
I'm
up?
going to say just like it is.
Okay, I don't need to be checked out. I'm fully capable. I've had 3 drinks all night. Like, it's not like... I'm not drunk. I'm not...
I'm just gonna get some air first. Where are you guys staying at? At the hotel? You're correct. Okay. Are you from Illinois? I am. Okay. Unfortunately. Oh. It doesn't have to be unfortunate. Don't call me. Okay. I'm not fighting you. I'm just joking with you. What's going on? Can you just give me 1 second and I'll explain to you? I just want to catch you.
It's very painful.
And
you know,
normally we would take it off, but unfortunately in the situation...
No, I'm not saying take it off. If you could just loosen just this area.
And there's no straps on it. The only straps that we have are these, and they're usually...
It is the most ridiculous, like, I mean, you
Once
don't...
it's on, the only ones that are taking it off are the ones that usually it comes down to is jail.
Okay, you guys
want us to do a blood pressure check? No, if she's refusing, no. We'll just put her on the cot. If we could wheel her over to there, that way we don't have to carry her.
So obviously when I arrive on scene, like I wasn't the first here, didn't know everything that's going on. Understand? So that's why we kind of try to de-escalate. That's why I ask you to like step away because there's yelling from every angle. Okay. So basically right now it sounded like your wife was kind of having some issues, so that's why we have to rescue.
Right arm. Don't grab my right arm.
1, 2, 3.
Bicep.
That way it'll help with getting her on.
Always on the error side of caution. We get them medically checked out. Okay. I did not see any visible injuries on her.
Grant, she in the back of your car? No, she's in the back. We're going to deal with her in a second. So
I saw the whole thing. So, okay. Like I said, I don't... I understand. Sure. I understand. Okay. You and I are fine. Okay. Very good. So what's probably going to go on tonight is I'll probably, after I just confirm with them, it sounds like I'll probably just release you. You're just going to go to the hotel and go to sleep tonight?
It's always the first time for everything.
I guess.
I don't even know. So remember, nobody had an argument with their daughter.
Well, there's one, you can have arguments. What you can't do is you can't cause a disturbance and you can't be pushing and shoving in the way. Right outside the ball. That's what you can't be doing.
And then it sounds like possibly your wife is going to be going to jail, and then your daughter's also going to be going to jail. Okay. So that's just the information that I have right now, what I've gathered, and then I'm just going to make sure that they're fine letting you go, okay? So if you wouldn't mind, I'm just going to set you back there, and you're just... Why a couple minutes on her? Because she was extremely physically resistant. She ripped herself away from the squad, because from, I think, State Patrol was holding
After her mom was trampled to the ground. I understand. You're not here.
I'm just trying to explain everything.
You and I are not arguing.
All right.
We got this.
Okay. I mean, when you were there, did you see her rip away, or no?
But I actually, if you come here, just a second. I'm super close up here. Okay.
Got this.
Let's super close up here. Okay. It's so funny. I'm super strong and like.
You're going to have to reach in here and grab when we were standing over there, because I don't know if you weren't facing her or not.
I was not facing her.
All right, because I was facing her, I'm not lying to you. She like completely ripped away, knocked his body camera probably 7-8 feet away from him. So
I'm not sure how she's going to react. She's pretty resistant. Yeah, she was first, and then as I'm getting with her, told them walk out to the corner, so I was like, I told them to stay here. She was running away. All right, so just give me a couple more minutes, and then and you're right here, so it's not like I have to drive you very far.
I'm not far.
Okay, all right, I'll be right back with you, sir. Okay, just don't want to hit your knees, so okay.
Yeah.
I can't do it.
I just want to see if we can scoot back a little bit.
Are you kidding me right now?
So,
Can I just go full through the ODC? Yeah. And then further to either the obstruction resistance.
And then for him, we have to consider that great assault or a battery on law enforcement.
For a fight with you?
For a tip grab, like a battery to an officer at attention, like
No, you don't. Shut it. You're gonna break my f***ing toe. No, you're gonna break my toe.
You guys want to back here in your own view.
You're gonna break my toe.
You're able to pull back a little more. We're gonna try to slide you back a little bit more.
Wait, hold on. Now you're jabbing the shit in my side. Whatever, it's right there. It's jabbing your
Lean
side.
back a little bit. That's what it's designed for. It's designed for you to lean back a little bit, so it doesn't
I
restrict
know it's
breathing.
relaxing.
It's not relaxing, but it's made so it doesn't restrict your breathing. So that's what it's made for you. That's why there's a little
Put the
slack.
whole window down. Please.
That way, whole windows down. This whole windows down. Both windows are down.
Yeah, the girl I have, she is pretty crazy. She is or is not?
she is. But she wants to speak to Uncle. I guess I'm mediator. Everything going on.
I don't know that at all. She's going to jail anyways, so if she's resistant, we'll put her in the ramp for the county. Perfect. And then we'll go from there. So
Easy enough. All right, thank you.
really slowly.
There you go.
You can't get it on. Just
She appears like. Oh my God, no.
it's just so you don't fall out.
I understand, but you don't know it. No, put it across my neck.
You don't want to watch it?
No, I don't want to see it. No, take it off. You see it? Okay. That's a lot of Dashcam money spent on a silly situation.
Okay. All right. Well, you have a better night, ma'am. Okay.
You know what? Bless you. God bless you.
Bless you. Here's your ID. Okay. All right. And then I'm just going to ask you to just walk to the hotel.
Okay.
Okay.
But procedure for getting them at this point.
So Brown County Jail, just contact their non-emergency number, and then you can ask them as far as, go this way, and then they'll let you know, or they'll contact you, because they have your number. You gave me your number. I'll make sure they have that at the jail, so then they can contact you, okay?
Okay.
All right, so otherwise the Brown County Jail is who you call, but they're going to get a phone call, they'll call, because they'll probably be able to be released, okay?
Okay.
So probably we need a sober party to go get them, though, okay?
Yeah, with me she's cool. She doesn't want to see anything. No, not at all. She just wants an explanation to why she's under arrest. So I told her that once everything comes down, we'll announce it.
Any other
Time frame?
questions?
Like,
It's usually probably an hour-ish.
Okay.
So, all right?
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. All right. I appreciate it. All right. Thank you. And then I just would appreciate if you just go to the hotel, because while we're dealing with this other stuff going on right now.
what other stuff's going on right now? Just my stuff?
No, yeah, and we have other investigation stuff going on right now, so I appreciate it. Thank you. All right.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. All right, Sergeant Magno, how are you? Okay. The reason why I asked this all is apparently my officer saw you and your mom pushing each other outside the bar. It didn't sound like it was anything major.
But at the end of the day, when my officer tries to stop you guys to make sure everything's okay, and it sounds like people are walking away.
Resisting, and I understand if mom wants to act the way she does, that's where you have to be accountable for your actions. I know, it's not easy. The reason why we do that
Is because we want to make sure she doesn't hurt herself, number one, and number two, anybody else that comes in contact with her.
and that other, I mean, the way that you were acting, that's why you're in handcuffs.
I just.
Sarge, they'll bind them out. There's no felonies. Their boyfriend.
Yeah, there's no battery to law enforcement. That's the felony. Yeah. So that's no. Just mom. Just mom.
Okay, so mom can't be bonded out. Daughter can.
Yeah. DC, DVO, and then resisting. So 150 for DC, resisting I think is like 250 or something like that. So yeah.
So that's the reason why we're
I understand. I guess. And then when we show up, there's lots of us. We're not trying to be assholes or anything. No. We're asking you to step back. Then all of a sudden you grab onto that pole and you're yelling and fighting with the county officers. Well, we still have to control the situation, okay? So you're going to go with the state trooper here. You're going to go to jail for DC, disorderly conduct, and resisting obstructing, okay? Any questions for me?
I mean, I guess I just don't understand. I don't understand what I did.
Yeah, I just explained it to you. When we're trying to control a situation and it sounds like you're actively fighting and actively trying to prevent, and then when we try to separate you guys, and then all of a sudden you start fighting with the law enforcement, that is why certain things happen the way they did. So. Sure. Right there. We'll have everything sent down for you, so they should be good. I don't think you'll have any issues with the transport. So if you do, pull over, let us know. I'll send out one of our guys to back you up. He's transporting, he'll go. So somebody get the booking form for her. We'll be good.
Do you want to enforce the 72-hour no contact with your daughter?
Whoever right now, tomorrow, today. No.
She does not want the 72-hour no contact enforced.
We got another one too, her daughter. So. Yeah, I have one. We have two in wraps. Unless they took her out of the wrap, but we wrapped her on scene. I don't know who has her. State maybe. Mama does.
Just give me for a second. On top of my
As a result, the mother was charged with felony battery threat to an officer, along with misdemeanor counts of disorderly conduct and resisting obstructing an officer. The daughter also faced misdemeanor charges of disorderly conduct and resisting obstructing an officer. Both were released within a day on a $10,000 signature bond and a $450 cash bond, with conditions requiring absolute sobriety and prohibiting contact with taverns or liquor stores. Months later, the mother was found guilty due to a no-contest plea to both misdemeanor charges, while her daughter was only found guilty of resisting obstructing an officer. All remaining charges were dismissed but read in. Ultimately, the mother was sentenced to a fine and/or 10 days in jail and must write an apology letter to an officer. Her daughter received a 12-month deferred judgment agreement, meaning if she meets the specified conditions for a year, she won't be officially convicted and the misdemeanor charge could be dismissed.